Welcome back to day 52, everybody, of 75 hard. Hot ass day, 28 degrees Celsius here in Windsor. I hope everyone's doing good. We're headed off right now downtown, go meet up with Azal. We're gonna go for a run. He's got the drone too, so we might, I'll definitely throw some drone shots of us running. And then, I don't know, maybe we'll make a few videos or something, I'm not sure. Iced coffee on deck, a little caffeine before we head there. I forgot to charge my watch, because I haven't been using it lately. I've just been, if I'm not constantly wearing it, I always forget to charge it, which, you know, it is what it is. But anyways, yeah, we're headed there, so we'll meet back when we're with Azal. I parked your son. What up, brother?
Do this. Let's get it. Hey, fuck it, I'm gonna take out my shirt too.
Yeah, bro, it's way too hot. What are you saying? How you doing?
Oh, not too bad.
Beast. Let's see it. Bro's already pumped. All right.
And that's all the stuff I have.
Okay.
These are the accessories.
Sweet.
Check it out. Let's try this.
Oh yeah, it's light.
Yeah.
Damn, it's windy.
Yeah.
Get a nice little tan going today.
I hope so.
Yeah.
I'm gonna buy the thing. Like,
yeah, that'd be sweet. Yeah, because I think Julian had that one, so I just assumed that maybe it came with whatever you had. It was sweet. He also had a headband one. I did this muscle up video a while back where like
let's try this.
I was doing muscle ups PO like first person. It was sweet. We can do it now. Maybe we set it up. We run for a bit. Can it track us?
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll do that, and then I'll have a whole bunch of mix. Like I'll have like the GoPro going, and the drone. So let's do it. This thing's crazy. This shit's wide, bro. Damn.
It's 4K 30 FPS.
That's fine. Bro, your arm's crazy.
With the light thing?
That's wild. That was crazy. Dude, what if a bird just took that thing out?
I swear.
I like how it has the front camera too, that's really nice. Starting our run. Got the drone. All done. We can take breaks and shit. But then we're gonna carry the boats. Honestly, who's gonna carry them? Beautiful river today. And windy though.
Nice weather, yo.
Nice weather. Fish. It was all jump in there and catch with your hands, bro.
Bare hands.
Where they teach you in the village, bro.
This is at least like one.
Bro don't care.
No,
Bro does not care. Finished up our cardio, did some running, did some walking. What was it, like 5, 6, 7K? I don't even know how.
200K.
200K, yeah, some light cardio today.
Yeah. Oil
still
change,
hot.
$1 million.
$1 million. It's gonna be the end for cardio today, and then later I'm gonna pull up to the gym. It's all already worked out, bro. It's already pumped. Bro's got that fucking chest pump and shit.
This guy's a beast at running.
Appreciate it. I've been running way too much though. Like my legs are always fucking sore, and it gets boring, bro. That's why I like walking sometimes or biking.
Yeah.
But yeah, we'll catch you guys when we're at the gym in a bit, or taking pre. What up?
Yo,
What up?
Whenever I see you, you're about to get the camera, I'm just gonna be like this.
Goes.
So you set it up. And
Go
like,
super
Jakey
slow.
boy, what's good? What are you saying? You gotta pause. If you guys ever see Jake and he doesn't have, and he's setting up the camera or the camera's not on, don't go. Don't go till it gives you the cue. You have to get the cue. You need the cue.
I need to turn the mic on.
So literally he has to go like this. Now, and then you come in. Remember all your though. Don't forget.
Yeah.
Don't, because you know when the camera comes, people like get shy.
Yeah, you
So
gotta
don't
have it in
forget
your
your
head.
shit.
You gotta have it in your head before you go.
Literally. So how does it feel? What's your 19, almost 20K?
I want that 20K, bro. I want that 20.
So y'all see Jakey Boy has 20K.
After the
I know
20
y'all
or
excited
30.
about that, just like Jakey Boy is.
Yes,
But
sir.
listen, 20K is only a stepping stone. How much you gonna get? $1 million? $2
Million, bro.
million?
A few million.
Ooh, that boy gonna go stupid. That boy
I
gonna
need
go
that gold
stupid.
flag button, bro.
You're gonna get that gold plaque in a year.
I hope, bro. Next summer will be crazy.
Next summer, gold plaque
That's my
team
goal. My goal is by next summer to like make money like full time off YouTube.
You already started.
Yeah, I know. Well, but actually making like enough to like
To like just sustain yourself.
like sustain and buy like
New
like,
shit.
have it like a full time job almost.
You don't need any new shit though.
No,
You don't need anything
dude,
new.
I don't buy fucking food. I don't buy. Like,
In
stupid
compa-
shit. I just buy clothes. I just buy
Yeah,
gym
Jake's
clothes.
Jake's camera is unbelievable. I have this camera; it's like $1,000. In comparison to Jake's, trash, bro. And my laptop, okay, it's kind of fire. But Jake got the newest Mac. You have everything. You don't need nothing.
Yeah. Well, I'm still paying that off, but yeah.
Yeah, but you don't need nothing.
No, yeah. To be honest, yeah. Just lenses. To be honest, I need one good lens, and then I'm.
One good lens would be crazy.
Yeah, dude. I was using Azal's GoPro today. We went for a run, and like.
No way.
I was like, dude.
No, I seen it. I
Yeah,
liked it.
Bro, you know what's cool? So when I for my beginning of my vlog, I'm gonna have the drone flying, and then I'm gonna zoom in, and I'm gonna go to the GoPro. So you guys already seen this?
Yeah, because it's part of the vlog.
Yeah. The GoPro, bro, you go like this, and it's like it can literally get like from here to like all the way over here. It's so wide. What are you hitting? I'm doing some legs. I'm doing squats.
Shoulders.
Shoulders?
I know you wanted. Yesterday he came in, bro. Yesterday he came in. He grabbed the one plate.
I put in the vlog. I'm like,
His knees were like.
no, that's my back, bro. My back felt weird.
Yeah, bro, put that shit back. Now he's here for redemption.
Redemption.
So, it's a
We're
redemption.
gonna go crazy on legs today. We'll catch Saki Boy around.
Yeah, I'm just gonna go hit some shoulders.
It's kind of dead today, so it's nice.
So Jakey Boy's about to go crazy. I'm about to go stupid.
Let's go.
Done.
Alright. Oh, throw the knee sleeves on. We're gonna do squats today till failure. Like I wanna destroy my legs. I'll probably go to 3 plates for a lot of reps, a lot of sets. Focus on depth today. I won't even go above 3. Honestly, yesterday or the other day when I did legs, I honestly just did that to see where my squat was. Let's get to it. All right, so I'm watching this post edit. I'm getting the video done right now, and I'm just watching back. I'm like, damn, man, those split squats were not fun, bro. That had me stressing, bro. Like, I was taking breaks. I'm closing my eyes, just like biting through it. Like, that was one of the most intense split squat sessions I've ever had there. But yeah, that's gonna be the end of the video. If you guys liked, leave a like, comment, subscribe. That was a great day. Yeah, we will see you tomorrow for day 53. God bless. Peace out, everyone.